This is week 7 of quarter 1, Intro to Color Theory. This week we're going to draw a rainbow. Supplies we will need for this week will be white paper, a pencil, black marker, or a black crayon or black colored pencil. You're also going to need crayons or color pencils to color in your drawing. So I'm going to start off with my black marker. You can start with a black crayon or black color pencil. If you have markers, feel free to use your marker. So I'm going to start with a cloud first. And I'm going to make some bumps on the paper. And I'm going to count 8 bumps in total. And I'm going to connect them back to the beginning. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I have 2 clouds at the bottom of my paper. We're going to make the arches of our rainbow next. So we're going to start at the first cloud and connect it to the second cloud with one big line like that. Then we're going to make a second line following the same direction of our first line. 3, 4, 5, remembering to connect the first cloud to the second cloud. 6 and 7. So we've made 7 lines, and that will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces for all of our colors. I'm going to draw a half circle here. I'm going to make a sun. I'm going to put some rays on the sun. Next, we're going to go back down to the clouds. We're going to give them some character. So I'm going to make a sideways V for one of my eyes and an upside down U. Then I'm going to make a smiley face and connect that with the letter U as well. And then I'm going to give them a tongue. So another U shape that touches each line. And then I'm going to color in the space in between. Moving on to our next cloud, we're going to give him some circle eyes. So one circle and another circle. Then we're going to make the pupils. Sorry for all the shaking. So we're going to do one big circle inside and then a smaller circle. And same with the other eye. One big circle and one little circle. I'm then going to fill in the background space with my marker. Again, if you're using crayon, so you want to use black, and if you're using color pencil, you want to use black. If you just have a number 2 pencil or a regular pencil, you can shade it in with your pencil as well. I noticed a lot of you making these really cute emoji faces on some of the drawings that we've been doing for free drawing, so I thought we'd get a little practice with those. So we're going to make him a little happy face. We're going to give him a little cheek. And there we have it. So next I'm going to grab some color. I'm going to be using color pencils this time. You can use your crayons. Some of you may have markers. You can use markers too. And we're going to start up at the top arch. So the one farthest to the outside, and that's going to be our red color. And then once we're all finished with our red, we're going to move on to the next color, which is orange. The next color on the color wheel that comes after orange is yellow. So we completed our color wheel last week, and that was to help us keep our colors in order for our rainbow this week. Our next color on the color wheel, green. If you noticed, I am using a lighter color green, and that's fine. We're going to work with the colors we have in our crayon and color pencil box this week. The next color on our color wheel is blue. And our final color on our rainbow will be purple or violet. Now this pencil was looking very blue to me, and I did have to double check, but this is my violet pencil. The last thing I'm going to do is color in the sun. I'm actually going to mix two colors. I'm going to use orange and yellow to get a yellow-orange. Now, if you don't want to have a lot of white background space on your page, you can absolutely color in the background a light blue, and if you want to use a dark blue, you can do that too. And there we have our finished rainbow. Don't forget to submit your assignment on Schoology for full credit. Click that like button and have a nice day.